Check out this home decor that I did, DIY. You don't want to miss it. Welcome back to Frederica Nation, y'all. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Welcome back to another video. Well, you already know how I do what I do. I'm coming to y'all with another DIY, and the DIY that I'm gonna do today is some books. I've been seeing these books on YouTube and things like that, and I was like, how are they getting these books? How are they making these books? Turned out to be simple as I thought it was. Like, well, not really. I didn't think it was that simple. But once I found out how they was making these books, it was really a simple process. Listen, if you're not a part of the Frederica Nation family, go ahead and do so. Subscribe, hit the ring bell so you never miss an upload. But I'm about to show y'all how we do these books. Now, I've been wanting these types of books, and the books are Chanel, Prada, Gucci, Dior type of books, just for home decor to sit on your maybe coffee table, end table, something like that when guests come in, just for a little fancy, elegant look, you know. So I found out how folk were doing it. They will go, all the materials that I'm going to use are from the Dollar Tree, except for what I printed off on my printer. You're going to need to go to Google, and you're going to need to Google images like YALL images, Prada images, Prada, Gucci, Dior, or whichever one you want to use, or Chanel, just depending on what kind of books you want to use. Now, I only got 3 books, so I'm only going to use 3 of these. But you go to the Dollar Tree and you get books, any kind of books. See, this book, it is white. It is all white because what I did was this. Although the cover is got all of its mess on it, but what you're going to do is turn it inside out. Once you turn it inside out, just like I'm doing right now, you're going to turn it inside out. And then you're going to fold it the shape of the book, because the shape of the book is already, and it's best to use the what comes off of it, because it's already the shape of the book. So you won't have a hard time getting some paper, trying to shape it and all of that old stuff. It's already shaped like the book. Okay, and you turn it inside out, and this is what you get. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna do it just like that. And I think I'm gonna use the green, because you can still see the little green right here for the Gucci. So what you do is I have 3 books just like this, you all. I've already done these other 2 books, but you're gonna need to glue it down. So in order to glue it down, of course, use your handy stuff, and what I have is my hot glue gun. Don't use much of the hot glue. I wish I had a glue stick, but unfortunately I just don't have a glue stick. So I'm gonna put this on here real easy, okay, because I don't want it to press through and all of that old crazy stuff, you know what I mean? So we know how this glue gun and just tap the glue, you know. But I don't have, and a lot of people use glue sticks, but that's one thing I forgot to get, y'all, so excuse me. But I'm going to put just a thin layer of it, okay, heavy on it, just to hold the back of it like that, so it won't move, okay? And I'm only going to do like the inside of it, because the inside of it will not be showing. So it makes sense to do just the inside, right, with the glue. So, but you're supposed to do the inside. I'm just telling you now, you're supposed to. But I don't want to mess my book up, because I didn't have the right stuff to do it with. Okay? And then that's going to hold just like that. So this paper is not going to move. And what I'm going to use right here, I'm going to put my Gucci sign right here, and I'm going to place it just like that. That's what I'm going to do for all 3 of my books. And then when I'm done with the finished look, I'm going to show y'all how it looks. Welcome back, y'all, to Frederica Nation. And I just wanted to show y'all the finished product of the books that I was telling you all about. Look at the books. They turn out pretty good. First time doing it, and I'm loving it. Like, I am super duper loving these books, y'all. Like I said, everything that I used, I will link down in the description below. And make sure y'all subscribe and hit the ring bell and put down in the comment section below other types of DIYs y'all want me to do. But I had to come out and do this because it's going to look beautiful on my front room table. Okay? And it's very simple. And like I said, the books came from Dollar Tree. And just watch the video on how I did it. And a hot glue gun or a glue stick. Glue stick is preferable. I just didn't have a glue stick, but honey, I still worked it out. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you thumbs up if you like the video. And make sure you subscribe and join the family here at Frederica Nation. Until then, I'll see y'all some other time. Thank y'all so much. See ya.